Hi, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. The last flight of the Martian Ingenuity helicopter was captured on video by the Perseverance rover. This was Ingenuity's 47th flight and it took place on March 9th. The flight covered 440 meters of flight distance and brought Ingenuity to a new pit stop nicknamed Airfield Iota. Ingenuity's top speed hit a typical 5.3 meters per second. Ingenuity and Perseverance worked together to send home more imagery of the flight than usual, using satellites in orbit around the Red Planet and NASA's Deep Space Network. Footage taken on Ingenuity's downward-looking black-and-white navigation camera shows Martian dunes whipping by underneath and the drone flew as high as 12 meters. The helicopter also took two pictures with high-resolution color camera. This camera is mounted on the fuselage of the Ingenuity and pointed about 22 degrees below the horizon. Now the main task of the Ingenuity helicopter is to conduct reconnaissance for the Perseverance rover to choose a suitable route for the heavy and slow rover. Ingenuity's flight also allows specialists to test the rotorcraft capabilities in the Martian atmosphere, before NASA and the European Space Agency launch a mission to deliver Martian soil samples to Earth. If Perseverance can deliver its collected samples to a waiting spacecraft on its own sometime in the 2030s, two small Ingenuity-type helicopters will collect the test tubes Perseverance laid out on the surface of Mars. Experts from NASA's Ames Research Center are now working with AeroVironment Company to develop a 6-rotor Mars science helicopter that could be used in future missions to Mars. It is assumed that it will be able to carry up to 5 kg of payload, including scientific instruments, and will be able to study the terrain, which is not accessible to Mars rovers. The mass of the new Martian helicopter will be about 18 kg, speed about 30 meters per second, and the flight range will be up to 1 kilometer. The helicopter is proposed to be used for the study of Martian caves, the existence of which scientists know about thanks to photographs of Martian orbital spacecraft. Late last year, scientists from Geological Society of America chose 9 caves, which in their opinion are potentially suitable for the first colonists on Mars. The caves were chosen within 100 km of the possible landing region of the future spacecraft, at an altitude of no more than 1 km. Another prerequisite for the selection was the availability of high-resolution images for each of the caves. In the future, Martian caves may serve as a good shelter, providing natural protection from deadly ultraviolet radiation, extreme cold, and dust storms that can last for weeks. In addition, caves may contain traces of life that existed on Mars in the distant past, which is why their study is so exciting for astronomical scientists. Space Daily News. Like, share, and subscribe.